my name is Kathy Cooper. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making baked sweet and sour chicken with red peppers. So delicious. We'll start off by making the sauce. Combine the sugar, vinegar, ketchup, soy sauce, and garlic salt in a bowl and mix it all up and set it aside. Next, we're going to beat the eggs with a whisk and then add the cornstarch. Now this gets a little messy if you're not careful, but take your whisk and beat it up until it's very smooth. Then we are going to cut up our chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Spray a baking dish with cooking spray. And for the next step, make sure you get out some rubber disposable gloves and put them on your hands because this can get pretty messy. Drop all your bite-sized pieces of chicken breast into that cornstarch and egg mixture and mix them all up until they're thoroughly coated. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil into a skillet and turn it on medium-high heat. Let it heat up for just a couple of minutes and then carefully take those chicken bites one by one and place them into the skillet. Once you have them all in the skillet, don't touch them for about 4 or 5 minutes. We want them to get thoroughly browned on one side without touching them before we turn them over. So check one chicken bite, and when that one is golden brown, then you can turn them all over. And be really careful because they're going to have stuck together during the cooking process. Once you have them all turned over, let them cook for another 3 or 4 minutes until they're golden brown on the second side. Then you're going to take them all out and put them in your baking dish. Preheat the oven to 325. Take your red peppers and cut them into bite-sized pieces and place them in and around the chicken in the baking dish. Take your sweet and sour sauce and drizzle it all over the top and place your baking dish in the oven for about 30 minutes. And when it is done, you have fabulous, delicious sweet and sour chicken. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel.